In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Customer statements are a simple way to show a customer what they owe and which transactions make up that balance. They're great for month-end summaries or friendly reminders on overdue accounts, and the process takes just a minute. Once you're in QuickBooks Online, look over to the left panel and click Sales. This is your sales hub. Estimates, invoices, payments, and customers live here. Next, open the Customers tab. You'll see a list of everyone you've added to your books. If the list is long, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the right customer. Click the customer you want to create a statement for. This opens their profile, showing their activity and balance. At the top right, select New Transaction, and from the menu, choose Statement. This tells QuickBooks you want to compile the customer's activity into a clean, shareable summary. Now pick the statement type. Balance forward statements show what the customer owed at the start of the period, plus activity during your selected dates. Open item statements list each unpaid invoice individually, which is useful when you want clarity on what's still due. Transaction statements list all transactions in the date range, paid and unpaid, giving a full picture. Set your statement dates by choosing a start date and an end date. For monthly statements, use the first and last day of the month. For a custom reminder, choose a range that covers the invoices you want to highlight. The dates control exactly what appears, so make sure they match the story you want the statement to tell. When you're happy with the selection, you can click Save to store the statement in the customer's record and send it later, or click Save and Send to email it right now. Save and Send will open an email preview, so you can confirm the message and make sure the customer's address looks correct before you hit send. If the statement doesn't look right, adjust the type or dates until it reflects exactly what you want the customer to see. Remember, statements summarize existing transactions. They don't create or change invoices, so your books stay intact. That's it. By navigating to Sales, opening Customers, choosing your customer, creating a statement, selecting the statement type and date range, then saving or sending, you'll deliver clear, professional statements every time. Use consistent date ranges. Choose the type that fits your message, and send statements regularly to keep cash flowing and your customers informed.